Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, and welcome to Ignorant Industries. My name is Lou, and I am your chief ignoramus here at ignorantindustries.com. Today, I am reviewing a product called Marketplace Miracles from my friend Gabriel Starr and his buddy Chris. So they have put together Marketplace Miracles, and we're going to take a look at this interesting approach. It's not necessarily a make money online kind of thing, but it's in that neighborhood. Let's take a look at what Gabriel has done here. All right, so here we are inside my bonus page and review page, and that's Marketplace Miracles there. They're handing off of the cash, and this helps you to learn how to make Facebook Marketplace pay big money to you. So how does that work? Well, Facebook Marketplace, if you're not familiar with it, it's sort of like an online yard sale. And so what they've done is Chris and Gabriel have put together a process to help you make serious money on Facebook Marketplace. Let's take a look. All right. So Marketplace Miracles there. And that's something important. These bonuses and this introductory pricing will only be good for the next 5 days from the time of this recording. So when you see this bonus video, you can access the link to the bonus page down below. There's a link right there in the description, and you'll be able to see what Marketplace Miracles is. It's only $10. I just want to introduce this, $9.95. The idea of all the stuff he gives you in this, and you're getting it for $9.95, but that introductory pricing expires 5 days. When this countdown hits 0, I can guarantee you your number is going to look lower when you see this on the bonus page. All right, so if you're ready to grab it, click any one of my green purchase buttons. You click on that. It'll take you right to Gabriel's sales page, and you'll be able to get all the details about this product and make the final purchase there. So and we'll look at some of the bonuses that are available. The video you're watching right now will end up right here. Our policy here at Ignorant Industries is not to post a video until we've actually filmed it. All right, so there's another green button. So what is Marketplace Miracles? Marketplace Miracles is top-notch training on how to use Facebook Marketplace to make bank, as the kids say. Or as my kids would say, no, we don't, Dad. Anyway, so there are more than 30 over-the-shoulder training videos. It is a proven system to win on Facebook Marketplace. Chris, Gabriel's friend that they launched this together, Chris has been doing this. He learned this from his dad back before Facebook was the thing, that they were flipping. I'll tell you what it is. They were flipping cars. I know. And you're thinking, I can't do that. I don't know anything about cars. 30 videos shows you how to do this. All right, let's take a look. It's 100% newbie friendly. They take you through step by step by step on how to do all this. It can be done with just 2 hours a day. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to create a video. You don't have to put your face on camera. It's none of that. So that's what I'm saying. You're still making money online because Facebook is involved, but it's not like you're selling a product or something like that. Let's take a look here. So Gabriel and Chris show you how to replace your job's income fast. So there they are, and their assistant there, Llama Sheep. So you can watch the sales video below. Click on this button. It'll also be on the sales page, which we'll take a look at in just a moment. So like I told you, it expires. The pricing will expire. The bonuses will expire. Now, these are my bonuses that I'm giving you that are connected directly to Marketplace Miracle to make it work for you. So the first thing, I couldn't believe when Gabriel said I could give this away. Is IT Inception. Now, this is one of his products from earlier this year, and I think it's last month. And what he does in this product is he shows you how you can create your own computer business. And you're like, I don't know about computers. You know what? You learn. Again, he takes you through step by step and shows you how to create this business, local business, on computer repair, computer troubleshooting, upgrades, all that kind of stuff. And it's a very clever, creative way that he does. So again, this is included free. I think he's selling this now for like $97 after the introductory pricing. The second bonus, SEO Ranking King. And he shows you how to rank on SEO websites to increase your search engine optimization. Next one is how to build a squeeze page with Elementor. Elementor is a web page design program, and he shows you how to build a squeeze page and explains all that to you. Bonus number 4 is a tutorial called Buyer's List Ninja. And what he shows you here is how to create a buyer's list. If you want to move into affiliate marketing, you want to have a buyer's list and how to create that and nurture that. And bonus number 5 is how to create a 6-figure website design agency. So let's say you like doing design, you want to be able to work from home. Boom, right here is a way to do that, a proven method that he has done. So all that's included if you purchase through one of my links, look just like this. So you click this button and you can do it, again, before this timer expires. And the link to that is down below in the description here on YouTube. And your bonuses will be delivered directly through Warrior Plus. You just click on Warrior. When you make the purchase through Warrior Plus, it's 100% secure, whether you're PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard, Visa, whatever. You make that purchase, you will get a link like this from Warrior Plus. And the green button will take you to your product from Gabriel and Chris. The blue button will give you the bonuses that I'm providing to you. Just click on that and boom, takes you right there. All right, so thank you for taking the time to check out my review on my bonuses page here. If you haven't clicked on the bonus page, down below in the description. And you can also go to ignorantindustries.com and see some of the more recent reviews that I've done of other products that are out there that might interest you. But for now, let's take a look at the sales page. Here we are on the sales page, Marketplace Miracles with the dollars in the background there. There's that video I was telling you about. And this training will teach you a proven system to make money online, right? 100% newbie friendly, just like I said. All these points about it. You can read through this and get understanding of what Marketplace Miracle is, how it can work for you, why you would want to do it. So I challenge you, take a look and really read through this information here to see what Marketplace Miracles can do for you. And then when you're ready, you click on, he has some bonuses too that he includes. And when you're ready, you just click on, boom, his button to get Marketplace Miracles now, and then you'll be able to get his bonuses, his product, and my bonuses. So let's take a look inside the product. So here we are. Gabriel gave me insider access into Marketplace Miracles, so I can show you exactly what you're getting into. I'm not going to play the videos or anything. I just want to show you what it looks like inside. So he has a YouTube channel. You click on that, start seeing. He has a cheat sheet. So if you want to have this printed out, if you're more of a reader, you can have this. You can follow along with the videos. But he has it as a PDF that you can download and print out if you like. All right, let's just look right here at the main course. All right. There's some simple stuff with the welcome, what the method is. Like I told you, it's what they call car flipping, and how to do it and what kind of investment is needed. Like he says, you're going to need $500 to do this. And you're thinking, oh, I don't know what to do. Well, if you don't know what to do, he has a system for you to get just from $60 to move to that $500, and it gives you a whole system on how to flip things. I think it's technology stuff he flips. And so, but he shows you, that's the awesome thing. He shows you step by step how to do it. And if you don't like it, if it doesn't work for you, he's got a 30-day money back guarantee. You can't go wrong for $10, people. All right. So now these are all the videos that are included in the front end, the basic, the $10 thing, how to understand, how to do this, how to price, how to contract, how to deal with titles, how to deal with repairs that would be needed, how to improve this. What is this? 22 videos that are available. Then he shows you the fast track training. If you don't have the $500, start out with $60, and he shows you how to do that on these trainings here, and takes you through step by step on how to make all these things happen. And there's some bonus training in there that he gives you as well. And then he talks about the upgrades. Let's take a look real quick at the upgrades. All right, so the first one, like we just talked about, the front end, the basic product is $10. OTO number 1, the upgrade number 1 is Marketplace Miracles Pro. He shows you how to 10x your profits with his biggest secret. OTO, one-time offer. Number 2 is called the Marketplace Miracles Multiplier. Discover the Forsaken method. I'm thinking about buying this just to find out why he calls it Forsaken. This is a loophole that the top 1% on Facebook Marketplace use. Now, that's intriguing, all right? The Marketplace Miracles Mentorship. Now, this is $97 a month. You get 4 one-hour group coaching sessions with Gabriel and Chris every month to help you develop this and grow this. Again, Chris has done this and made tons of money off of this. Chris's father has done this and made tons of money off of it. OTO number 4, Marketplace Miracles Reseller Rights. This allows you to take this whole product you're looking at here and then sell it as if you had done the whole thing. So you take all of Gabriel's work, all of Chris's work and experience, and Chris's dad's experience, and you take that And you get to sell it as if it was your own, and you keep 100% of the profits. That's $197. And finally, OTO number 5, you get to launch a product with Gabriel and Chris. Help you to break into internet marketing. It's really tough to do this. Trust me, I'm getting ready to launch my first product. It's a challenge. And Gabriel and Chris will walk you through that process because they've already done it. So as far as, when I look at these, I'm really thinking the Pro to kind of accelerate what you're doing there for just $47. That you should seriously consider that Marketplace Miracles Pro and maybe the 97 OTO number 2 just to find out what the Forsaken method is. All right, so I tell you, this is an impressive conglomeration of videos that Chris and Gabriel have put together. It's kind of out of the norm for what you're seeing in this like make money online world, but it still fits into that description of making money online. You need to be on Facebook. You connect with people through Facebook. I brought lots of stuff through Facebook Marketplace over the years. I'm sorry. I should say my wife has bought lots of stuff and then I go pick it up. That's usually my job. But this Facebook Marketplace is just huge. And this garage sale, if you will, and this process of flipping cars for $10 to learn this method, folks, I highly recommend you dive in to Marketplace Miracles now. Well, only one thing left for me to do to give this the ignorant rating on a scale of 1 being totally ignorant to a 5 being absolute perfection. I give this, Gabriel and Chris, I give this a 4.9. You go through step by step by step, showing folks exactly what to do. Clearly, this is a proven method, something, Chris, you have done over and over again. And then you've taken this process and made it available to us for just $10. Folks, you can't go wrong with this, especially with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So 4.9 out of 5 on the ignorant scale. Grab Marketplace Miracles today. And we'll talk to you next time here at Ignorant Industries.